my name is Rosita. I am a vocal and language coach. So meaning not only do I teach people how to speak in different languages, I teach people how to sing in them as well. In this video, in Learning Spanish in Less Than a Minute, we're going to learn different ways of saying goodbye. Of course, we have our adios, meaning goodbye. But you can also say, we'll see you later. Nos vemos. Or que descanse, like have a good rest, which is a form of saying goodbye, which sounds weird in English, but this is another way of saying goodbye, que descanse. And then, of course, we have hasta pronto, see you soon. Alright guys, so that will conclude today's video. If you guys feel like you've missed something or you feel like you need to review something, please feel free to rewatch this video as many times as you guys need. And please don't forget to follow. And until next time, I shall see you in the next video. Bye.